Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide sheets in Excel. This can be quite useful if you need to make one or more sheets invisible to you or anyone else accessing the work. Let's get started. We'll use this table as an example to demonstrate how to hide sheets in Excel. You can see that we're working with two sheets. We want the first sheet to show for everyone, but the second sheet doesn't have to be visible to other people. We'll select the sheet by clicking on it, then right-click, and choose the option Hide. Perfect! The second sheet has been hidden. Only the first sheet is still visible. If you're curious to see more about working with spreadsheets, such as how to unhide, rename, or completely delete a spreadsheet, watch our other video tutorials. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.